Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is March the 18th and I'm using my new trigger trading system. I've nicknamed it the Holy Grail trading system, mostly because of this magic indicator. That's right, it's a TZ indicator. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now this up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market, and you have to learn how to trade the flow of the market. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts, drilling down the lights between 6 and 7, producing my daily trade plan. Now we can take a look at that plan for today. Here we go, daily trade plan for March the 18th. I've taken all of these trades directly from the daily trade plan. Now, if you are not producing some sort of a daily trade plan an hour before you start trading, that is one of the main reasons you're failing. You have to know the higher time frames. And once you understand the higher time frames, then you take the trade going in the direction of the trend. The odds are much more in your favor for you succeeding, having successful trades. Now, if you don't know how to make one of these, well, you can get your hands on this one. Please keep in mind I do charge $100 a month for it. If you have any questions at all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now most of these trades were Forex, except for the last one, the NASDAQ. And as you can clearly see, the futures, they pay a lot more than Forex. But be careful, because just as easy as you can make a lot, you can lose a lot. First trade, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in at. Now this is why I love this magic indicator. It's simple. You just wait and wait and wait until it gets to the top. And on the first red candle, that's your trigger, and away it goes, just like magic. That's producing 8 pips, and 8 pips on the dollar CAD paid out $713. Moving right along to Euro New Zealand. Run a check on this one. This was a better looking chart setup. It did qualify for a great way to trade. Exactly the way I teach in the training videos. Got in a couple of candles later, knowing that it could go back to the goal line. That didn't bother me because I had the higher time frames helping me, and that ended up producing 18 pips, and those 18 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid out $1,309. Moving right along to the Euro CAD, another one I sold. Here we go. Did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the arrow. I'm 95% sure I've got a winner. Took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out at this point, just being happy. That's the most important thing. When you're trading, you have to be happy. And looks like I ended up with 23 pips. And those 23 pips on the Euro CAD paid out $1,902. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Pound yen, I bought it. Let's see. Another one that looks pretty good. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything screaming to buy, including the TZ. Did dip below the 50. Of course, if I dropped it down to the right here, that's where it dipped below. And finally on this candle is your trigger. Well, I knew it was going to go. Doesn't mean it's not going to do a pullback, 15 pips, but You can't freak out about a few pips. And looks like I locked in 46. And those 46 pips paid out $3,857. One more Forex pair to look at. Euro Aussie. Let's see what happened here. Euro Aussie. I sold it. There's the arrow. Qualified for a great way to trade. Everything screaming. Again, I was 95%. Don't you wish every time you pull the trigger you're 95% sure you got a winner? So you wouldn't worry about the other 5% losers. But you still have to manage it. Very important. Looks like I ended up with a good, it's hard to get it right on, 71 it looks like. 71 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $5,325. Now we're moving into the one future pair that I traded. I tried to work on the DAX 30, but the charts were not quite lined up. So if something's not lining up properly, then look for a chart that does line up. Quite simple. Now this one here, my trading plan said it was going to go up, and guess what? It went up. As soon as I got the trigger, that's all I was waiting for. Get in. And on this trade, it's 134. That would be pretty close. I'm going to get a calculator out and get it right on. Remove the last two digits. I just used a calculator and it came out to be exactly 135. 135. Let's see how close I can get. Well, there it is right there. 135. Remove the last two digits. So 135 times $20 times 10 lots. That's why you see $27,060. So I just added up all the pips and ticks. Turned out to be 301 pips, and those 301 pips paid out $40,167. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my PIP SNAGER system, well, I suggest you get your hands on it. If you want some more information, all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this right up. It's my PIP SNAGER system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market with a lot of help with this magic TZ indicator. My system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I also threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. Now all of this is just bonus stuff. It's a lot of extra educational material that's going to give you some success at trading the markets. There's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 50 training videos. And each video is roughly 20 minutes long each. Now you can put the video on pause, read all the different ways that I teach how to trade the markets. If you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now if you live too far, well, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link, and we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Remember, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So, time to wrap up this video. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video and trading day, well, should be Monday. I want to wish you not only a fantastic weekend, but also good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.